Neubreu ubana po ketika jala Maharashtra hadin buladab aitika arsin uang ba ulayo ay ketika bawar magnet namar balay tikitir kitar tak subuh apa kamat cung kelana bat bat kanika video kelas priang hakalang sodang caka ri India kelas priang ru wara kilat patah ku bawar barat ba cengkari India. Nuwe breu basyang masa pokatis nang walhas nagar kabdeh pokajala Maharashtra hi nu breu lakam ulayo ay kabor magnet hadin buladab aitika hapo katika jala Maharashtra. Nuwe breu upen syai halor kajing ai tika bolo angru ba balai kini ki breu baro kia pentho bria ya une utika ubadai udawai banyada yang ini khlam ko bet kakandai bunu breu lo angru ba kajing na jeng ketir kitar poka do lane kamet cengi ka dailing bakas app bat ka do cengi ba lo angru balada ka do cengi kumba play ong ba ka dai ka magnet ka ba penai ketir kitar ba lo ong balada ngibu ka syamat ngi habanan kam ka magnet ka bahe namar wakan ne pada uang balada labu yang magnet ke bahaya pok amet cengi gum salah deban itu hendrai kini ki magnet ki baret dalilai kenum laban bat yak syamai dan ki siang dan ki pliang bat gum tah ketika om dan magnet AA hendrai ka dai tang na ka doh bakas app cengi ka pelong ni tiar bakene pok amet cengi.
I heard people are becoming magnetic after getting COVID vaccines, so I thought to try it. And as you can see, I'm quite hairy, so none of that sticky, sweaty skin business. And see? It sticks to me just fine. Ow! It's just double-sided tape. Why are those people casting doubt on a life-saving medicine? See, this is a fridge magnet, and you can see the spoon sticks to it. But it's no way enough to hold the spoon. The magnet would have to be much stronger to hold the spoon. You would think it would be much more noticeable if this was in your body. And even if the magnetic particles were in the vaccine, they wouldn't be anywhere as powerful as this. But what if they are powerful as this? Here's a bunch of magnet particles in your blood. See what happens when I move them. Magnetic particles that strong will clump together in your arteries. They will pull your organs together. 100% death rate. It's your sweat and skin friction holding the spoon. Wash yourself.